Rubber screaming, pavement bleeding, curves too tight to hold. Fairlady whispers, engine purrs, got that soul from 701 gold. Coastal cliffs, flirt with danger, suns kissing the chrome. Analog dreams meet bass lines, calling the Z my home. Tailpipe singing, symphony raw, mountain air ignites the night. Ghosting corners, grip the dawn, chasing stars till they out of sight. Drums sharp, heartbeat sinks, every drift a brushstroke bone. Art in motion, fair ladies tell a story the sunset told. Turbo growl, shadows dance, headlights carved to black. Ego in the rearview fade, no room for looking back. Baseline punching, scent, howling tires, spitting fire. Retro future in the cockpit, speed feeds my desire. Grip loose, the edge my muse, fates whisper in the breeze. Tachometers flirt with red lines, gravity's hands I tease. Sharp drums echo heart beats, adrenaline fuels the grind. Past and present they collide, my fair lady redefined. Vinyl seats and metal dreams, a cockpit built to soar. Speed the language, gears the grammar, rolls the poet's lore. Tarmac burns, the rubber churns, history in my clutch. The 240Z ain't just a car, it's a soul you can't touch. Tailpipe singing, symphony raw, mountain air ignites the night. Ghosting corners, grip the dawn, chasing stars till they out of sight. Drums sharp, heartbeat sinks, every drift a brushstroke bold. Art in motion, fair ladies tell a story the sunset told.
Steel serpent on the prow, vintage soul, but the bass lines howl. Nights on trial, sharp drums slice through the fog. Tires screaming in the bins, mountain curves hug the dust. The road don't make amends. Fair lady drifting, ghosts in the river twisting. Rubber burning, time slow, but my mind's insistent. Sunset bleeds gold, wrapped in asphalt veins. Through the peaks and the valleys, the sea breaks chain. Analog grit under my grill, talks in code. 240 whisper secrets of the coastal road. Bass thumps like a heartbeat, adrenaline erupts, chasing shadows of the past. The future interrupts, grit and glamour collide. Sparks dance in the fade, drums sharp as switchbacks, melodies cascade. Tarmac hymns hum beneath the amber sky. A retro synth pulse, we race till stars cry. Exhaust notes spit fire, echo through the cliffs. Rear tires paint stories in the twilight rifts. Retro meets trap and untamed Z, symphony of fair ladies, roar tales, tales of infinity. Fading light kisses the chrome, my soul aligns with every sharp turn. I'm chasing new confines, engine whispers, the journey's only just begun. 240's heartbeat sinks with the setting sun.
Twin carb snap, no time stalls. He's wide awake on the mountain call. 71 legend in Hunter Green. I shift through time like a lucid dream. Pavement tracks and sunset blurs. I talk in gears, she answers in purrs. No tech tricks, no traction cheap, just heel toe jazz and a heartbeat beat. Old steel frame with a samurai line, gold light cuts through a red line spine. Built for the road, not the fame. Every pull rides out her name. Drums hit hard as the tires bite. We run these hills by fading light. Side mirror shake, soul intact. No GPS, just feeling back.